Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I would like to show you how to make a salmon stew on the stove. Yes, a salmon stew on the stove. Okay? And let me just give you the word of the day right now, because I know that some of you may need to hear a word today, and maybe it could lift you up, maybe it makes you think, maybe you don't want to hear the word of the day. I don't know, but my job is to bring the word of the day, and the word of the day is well, it may be cold outside. It may be warm outside. It could be summer, winter, spring, or fall. But one thing is for sure. If you are a coffee lover, it don't matter whether it's cold out, hot out, or whatever. You still want your coffee in whichever way you want it. So if you like yours iced coffee, that's what you want. I don't care if it's 0 out. If you like yours hot, then that's what it is. Okay? And some of us can't even function in the morning until we have that. Whether we get it the moment we wake up or some point in time during the day, we have to have that. What is it about coffee that makes us happy? Well, for me, it just seems like it helps me to wake up. I don't know, it might be my imagination, but it seems like it, because it seems like it's not until I actually drink, and I like mine hot and cold, so I can take it either way any day, as long as it's coffee. And I particularly like to make my own, because I like certain things in mine that I may or may not be able to get. Or, you know how you go to, let's say, Dunkin' Donuts, and you want, I don't know, I'm just going to give you, for instance, 3 sugars in your coffee and so many shots of vanilla, and on and on and on. And all you need is for somebody to get that wrong. That just messes up your whole day, because that coffee wasn't right. So do yourself a favor, okay? If that's your pleasure, go for it. Just figure out which kind of coffee you're going to get that you can afford, and enjoy that. The word of the day, have a cup of coffee. Okay. All right, so let's make our salmon stew, okay? Thanks. Okay, so I have some olive oil on the stove here in my frying pan. And I have one very large onion that I cut up already. So I'm going to put that in. I'll let the onions cook up a little bit. Okay, so I think what I would like to add next is I also have some onion paste that I made. Okay, you can follow my video and see what that is. I'm going to put that in, and what that's going to do is give some thickness to everything. 3 heaping tablespoons full. All right. Let's start adding some seasonings. I'm going to add some Larry seasoning salt to the onions. And some black pepper. black pepper. And I'm going to add some garlic. I have some garlic paste. I don't have enough in here, so I'm going to have to get out some more. Let me do that. That's about a teaspoonful. Oops. Okay. I have some more garlic paste because I only had a half a teaspoon there. Okay. So let me just get my other half. So that equals 1 teaspoon totally so far. And 2 heaping teaspoons. Okay? Of garlic paste. Okay, I'm going to just let that cook for about 5 minutes until the onions start getting soft, and then I'll bring you back. Thank you. Okay, so our onions have been cooking for about 5 minutes. I had 2 pieces of salmon fish this big, okay? Let me turn your attention over to where I'm at. Okay. And I want to show you, I already cut up one of them. And look, I'm just taking like tiny slivers, not even cutting it, just sort of pushing down and then pushing out. And if you see any bones, take that out. Okay? So that you end up with like fragments of the fish, not even pieces. Okay? Okay, thought that was a bone, but it's not. Okay, and you just keep doing that until you cut up all the fish. That's a bone. Almost there. Okay, so you see it wasn't like cutting, it was just like pushing down and pushing out. Okay, so now we're going to take the fish and add it to the onions. Actually, I want to, let me think. Yeah, I think I want to take the onions. Yeah, I'm going to add the fish to the onions. I was thinking there for a minute, but that's what I'd like to do. Okay, now I'm going to turn your attention back to the frying pan after I've added the salmon to it. So you see I didn't add any more oil. I just added this salmon to the onions with the oil that was already in there. Okay, now let's turn our fire back on so we can bring that back up to temp. I think I want to add some Creole seasoning. Now Creole seasoning is a little spicy, so if you don't like spicy, don't add the Creole to yours. You can definitely make this without adding Creole. Oh, that smells so good. And I love salmon. And I always think about baking it. I never thought about stewing it in this way. So this is definitely going to be a treat for me. Something light, healthy, and I can eat this whether it's morning, lunch, dinner, very light. And it doesn't take all day to cook salmon either. That's another thing. Quick and easy. And I found the bone. Get that out. Okay, I want to taste it to see what I'm missing. Missing everything. Need some black pepper. Mixing some salt. Put a little adobo in there. Okay, I'm going to fork and taste it again. Now the bone, wow, they didn't clean that good. I don't know. I'm not feeling the taste yet. I'm going to put some granulated garlic in it. I think that might do it. Let me taste. Yes, folks, we're there. Wow, that tastes good. Cut that off. That really tastes good. Okay, so let me put it on a plate and let you see. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay guys, here's the finished product of the salmon stew. You can have this over rice or salmon with grits, or just like it is. Okay, let me see if I can get in the picture. Take a thumbnail. Okay, here we go. Salmon stew. How about that, huh? And let me take a taste for you. The salmon is nice and light. I love the taste of salmon. Love it. And the sauteed onions help complement the salmon. I like it. I can see eating this with some grits or some home fries. I could do that any day. Okay, or even some white rice if that's your choice. But today, my choice is just the salmon stew. Okay? Alright, check out the links below. Share the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like salmon, if you like the video. And I'll check you out next time, okay? And thanks again for all your support and help. I really appreciate it. Love you. Bye-bye.